In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new table in Airtable. Before we begin, a quick refresher. In Airtable, a base is like a project or a database, and a table is one of the tabs inside that base where related information lives. Adding a new table is perfect when you want to track a new kind of data without mixing it into your existing tables. Start by opening the Airtable base where you want your new table to live. Make sure you have the right permissions, especially if you're in a shared workspace. Once the base is open, look to the list of tables in your base. At the bottom or along the side, you'll see a small plus button. Click that plus. This is the doorway to creating something new without changing any of your existing setup. A small menu will appear. Choose New Table. If you see other options like duplicating a table or adding a new view, ignore those for now. New Table is what creates a fresh, separate tab. Next, decide how you want to create the table. You have three choices. Start with an empty table if you'd like full control and prefer to build your structure from scratch. Import data if you already have information ready to go, like a CSV or a spreadsheet, and want Airtable to create fields based on that file. Use a template if you want a head start. Templates come with suggested fields and views tailored to common workflows such as content calendars or CRM-style tracking. Pick whichever best matches your situation. Now give your table a clear, concise name. Short, descriptive names work best. Think tasks, clients, or projects. Consistent naming helps everyone on your team understand the purpose at a glance. Avoid overly clever names so it's easy to search and reference later. Click Create Table to confirm. Your new table will appear in the base, usually at the end of your table list. You can drag it to reorder if you want to keep related tables together. With the table created, start shaping it to your needs. Add fields, these are your columns, to capture the right kinds of data. You can set field types like single-line text, long text, number, date, single select, or multiple select, checkbox, attachment, or link to another record. Rename the default fields to match your workflow, then add records, your rows, by clicking into the first empty line or using the Add Record control. As you build, choose field types that match the data you'll store to keep everything clean, searchable, and consistent. That's it. You've added a new table and set the stage for organized, flexible tracking. Thanks for watching.